electron configurations. When elements bond, their goal is to become stable.
This means that their outer shell is completely full.
Let's take oxygen, for example.
Oxygen has 8 electrons.
Its first 2 electrons are in the 1s orbital.
Its next 2 electrons are in the 2s orbital.
It has 4 electrons in the 2p orbital. Ridgely, how many electrons would fill up the 2p orbital?
It needs 6 in total, so we need to add 2 more electrons.
Thus, the charge is -2. Let's look at a diagram. As you can see, the 1s and the 2s orbitals are completely full, but the 2p orbital needs 2 more electrons to make it full. Thus, the charge is -2.
Now let's do a metal.
Let's take sodium, for example.
Sodium has 11 electrons.
Its first 2 electrons are in the 1s orbital.
Its next 2 electrons are in the 2s orbital.
Its next 6 electrons are in the 2p orbital.
And finally, there is 1 electron in the 3s orbital.
An element is more stable if its whole energy level is full. As you can see, level 3 is nowhere near being full.
Therefore, it is preferable to lose 1 electron so that 2p will be full. Thus, the
charge of sodium is +1.
Now let's do a transition metal.
As we know, transition metals have more than one charge.
Let's figure out why.
Take titanium as an example.
Titanium has 22 electrons.
The first 2 electrons are in the 1s orbital.
The next 2 are in the 2s orbital.
The next 6 are in the 2p orbital.
The next 2 are in the 3s orbital.
The next 6 are in the 3p orbital.
The next 2 are in the 4s orbital.
And then the last 2 are in the 3d orbital.
In order to make the 4s orbital the last full orbital, titanium must lose 2 electrons, giving it a +2 charge.
It could also lose 4 electrons to make 3p the last full orbital, giving it a +4 charge.
Thanks for watching! Please like and comment below any questions that you may have. Welcome! No.
Electrons are in the 1s orbital.
Sorry.
Stable if its whole energy... If you understand it.